question is asking us to determine when the object strikes the ground. So we're going to use the equations app for that. And the first thing we're going to do is enter our equation. We can click on add an equation, but we can also just start typing. I am going to just start typing. Our input button of X and T will toggle to T. You can also use X, but if you want to mimic the problem, just hit that input button 3 times to get T. And again, I'm going to hit that input button 3 times to get T. Now, I can write equals 0, or I can just click OK because it will default to equals 0, and we know 0 is when the object strikes the ground because that is 0 height. So I will just click OK, and as you can see, it added in the equals 0. I'm going to use my down arrow to highlight, solve the equation, and then I'm going to click OK. Now you will get exact answers, so the best thing to do is to use your right arrow to go over until you can see the decimal response. Up top, I can see a negative. In these types of problems, we do not have negative time. We are not time travelers. So I'm going to use the positive value so I can see it struck the ground at approximately 4 seconds, or I can be more precise and say 4.066 if I want to truncate my answer at 3 decimals. Notice we also have our discriminant, not useful in this problem, but it can be useful in a basic solving quadratic equation question.